Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend or a good weekend. And welcome to this new video on Cardano. I covered Matic. I did a little bit of a more extensive update on that. Also wanted to do that on Cardano. I mean, Cardano, in the end, and that's also one of the things I'm always very positive about regarding Cardano, is still one of the projects with a large community and with a very loyal community, right? Which is in these periods of time in crypto, that's a very rare thing, and it's a very valuable thing. Does that necessarily mean I'm bullish on Cardano? No, and you'll hear that in this video as well. I think we're at a crucial support level here, but we had some nice momentum over the course of last weekend. I don't think that momentum was too great, and I don't think that momentum really means that we're bullish, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to crash or anything, so we'll talk about that. But alright, so right now, if we look at Cardano, I would say, like, this is the daily time frame, right? So we're very zoomed out. We're at a crucial support level right here between 32 and 34.5 cents, right? Very strong level on the daily. You can also see in a three-day time frame. I mean, it's very much it kind of splits the support level, and I actually have to change it a little bit right here. Actually, increase the height because the level is very much right here between 35 and 32 cents, and then it's basically split up between 35. That's quite strong, as you can see historically as well. And then towards the bottom at 33 and 32. So it's basically split up into two support levels. And I do think, in general, in terms of my prediction on Cardano, I think that level will hold. The thing, though, is that if we talk about the general state of Cardano, we had some nice momentum over the course of, like I said, last week, end of last week. But what we did with that is that we only hit this resistance level at 40 cents, where we also have the 236 FIB of the entire move down. So, and with the rejection we got off of that, that's purely a bearish confirmation. That's a confirmation that we are still on the higher time frames in a downtrend, which is not great. I think the fundamentals for Cardano also don't look great. Daily transactions are down. Daily active addresses are stable, I would say. Total value locked as well, but the total value locked, if you zoom that out to the last year, it's not great. Right, so the fundamentals don't look great for Cardano. We've lost quite a lot of momentum. So am I bullish on Cardano? No, unfortunately not. I would like to be. And when I actually do see some positive fundamentals, and we've seen that in the past, I've been bullish on Cardano. And then I also think that loyal community comes in amazing. But no, at this point of time, look, if you look at the markets, Bitcoin is relatively weak here as well, but I do think we'll hold support. The support level Cardano has right here, like I said, ultimately between 35 and 32 cents is very strong as well. I don't really see anything fundamentally that would make us drop down below this. Maybe we spike below it, but I don't think we will close below it. So now we had a bearish breakout below 35 cents. There's no real momentum here, or at least there's no real positive momentum, no bullish momentum. Open interest is going up, but it's longs and shorts, and mostly shorts. We'll get back to that a little bit later. I think that's interesting. But for now, I think it's most likely that we will continue down a bit and that we will find support probably around 33 cents, and that from there we'll be able to consolidate. And then what I think is interesting is that what you see now, and that's very different than for example, if you compare Cardano to Polygon, what you see with Cardano is that there's actually a lot of short positions being opened here. So what that means is that there's a lot of liquidity up to the top here. And that's interesting. That's interesting for whales. That's interesting for us. So this is what I expect for now. But if we actually do get some sort of more bullish market, or if Cardano gains momentum, both of which I'll keep you updated on, then I do think we can see, especially if we reclaim 35 cents, right? So now we're under 35 cents. If we reclaim above 35 cents and we have that in combination with either open interest for Cardano rallying, so a bit coming in, or Bitcoin becoming stronger, I think we can have a very, very quick move up to the top here due to all of those shorters who will be forced to either close their positions or will be liquidated. So I'm not fully negative. I actually do think, especially when we break back above 35 cents, I do think we can have a very, very quick parabolic move up. But for now, until that happens, I'm slightly bearish and then neutral on price action. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. So for now, enjoy your weekend. I'll be back with another update on Cardano at some point of time next week. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.